So guys, welcome to our welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Daniel Motorized. So actually in today's work, guys, this is actually the roof. You can see this is actually the roof of my car. So I need to upgrade it. I need to make it higher because actually, let me show it to you. You can see actually that roof is so small. It's so small. So if someone that is taller than me wants to sit inside, his head will be too high. So I need to make it so it can be higher. I need to make it so it can be higher, guys. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification button. Don't forget to comment, guys. Thank you so much. This is Damian Motorized. Thank you, guys. So right now it's time to begin. So guys, actually that's the iron rod. You need to cut this steel metal, this iron metal. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, you can actually see this is what I'm actually talking about the building, and also you can actually see this is what I'm talking about. So you can see it's the same angle. You can see that. So this is actually where I'm mounting it. You can see I'm mounting it like this. So you can see it's much higher. It's much higher now. You can see that. So I just need to find a way to weld it. I need to find a way to weld it. You can see it. So actually, guys, I'm still gonna build another one here. Another one we still, another one needs to be here. But that one, I think it will be smaller. So in terms of rain, it will be smaller. You can see. But actually, this one is for here. This one is for here. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, guys. Thank you so much. So guys, we need to mount some things here. We need to weld it. So it can be so hardened. Yes, guys. So guys, we are finally done with the welding. You can see we are finally done. You can see. So it's time to mount it. Yes guys, it's time to mount. So guys, this is what I'm actually talking about. So you can see this. So actually, if anybody sits inside, even you can see it's actually more higher than this plain one. It's actually more higher now. So I need to weld it. However, and also the second one, I need to weld it also. Yes. So this is the perfect time to weld, guys. So let's go. So guys, you can see this is actually the boot. I still need to work on this piece here. So you guys, everything is actually straight. You can see. So you can see all this. Everything is actually straight. So you can see. You can see it's actually being made. Let's try it like this. Let's try it like this. this is actually the work we are able to do today, guys. This is actually the work we are able to do today. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to comment, guys. Thank you so much. Damn you, motorized greeting from you, guy.